This is a demo video for the Sensei Learner Importer plugin. You can bulk import learners and assign them to specific courses or lessons in Sensei LMS by using this plugin. Here is how easy to import users to Sensei LMS. Install the Sensei Learner Importer plugin on your site. Download the CSV template from the setting page of the plugin. Fill out the CSV template. Here, minimum required fields are first name, last name, email and role. Rest of the fields are optional. If you want to assign learners in more than one course, separate course ID by comma. Save the CSV file. Go to the Learner Importer and upload the file. Note that on successful import, a mail can be sent at choice of admin. So you can tick Send Email to new users if you want to inform learners. Next, click to Process Learners Import button. Your learners are imported and assigned to courses or lessons within a second. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos related to Sensei LMS and don't forget to click the bell icon.